Welcome to America, where modern farming feeds millions every single day.
And the technology behind it is truly amazing.
These farms stretch for miles across the American Midwest.
Every acre is managed with precision and data.
This massive tractor plants thousands of seeds every hour.
And
GPS technology guides every movement perfectly.
Satellites help farmers plant with centimeter-level accuracy.
Nothing is wasted. Every seed is placed exactly where it should be.
Drones scan crops and detect problems before farmers can even see them.
this is agriculture powered by cutting-edge technology.
Water is delivered only where crops truly need it.
Smart irrigation saves both water and energy.
Farmers test the soil before planting anything.
Healthy soil means healthier crops and higher yields. Some machines can harvest almost by themselves.
Artificial intelligence helps farmers work faster than ever.
Each seed is planted at the perfect depth and spacing.
That precision creates stronger and more uniform crops.
This corn will become food, fuel, and animal feed.
One farm supports millions of people.
Modern farming also protects the land for future generations.
Technology and sustainability now go hand in hand.
Technology also helps farmers care for their animals.
Sensors track health, feeding, and comfort every day.
Farmers watch the weather as closely as pilots do.
Accurate forecasts help protect every crop.
Months of hard work lead to this exciting moment.
Harvest season is when the farm truly comes alive.
After harvest, millions of bushels are stored safely.
These grain bins keep food ready for the world.
Many American farms are family businesses passed down for generations.
Tradition and innovation grow together here.
Many farms now produce clean energy too.
Wind and solar help power the future of agriculture.
Every decision is backed by real-time data.
Farming today is as much science as it is hard work.
After harvest, crops travel across the entire country.
From farms to cities, the supply chain never stops.
American farms help feed people around the globe.
This is innovation with a global impact. Before most people wake up, farmers are already hard at work. Their dedication keeps food on every table. Behind every meal is the hard work of American farmers.
Their innovation and perseverance shape the future. This is how modern farming in America feeds the world.
Subscribe to discover more amazing stories from American agriculture.